You guessed it, more 16th notes, same thing, muted strings, a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2. You know what to do now. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. One E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 1 E and a. And a 4 E and a 1 E and a. We are not reacting to the drums. We're keeping an ear out. But if we're reacting, then that means we hear it and then we respond. What we want is just to be right in time, right on that drum strike. It's simultaneous, as if we were playing drums. If you were playing drums, I'm playing guitar. You just lay that right on the beat. Lay it in there. One E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a. Stay with it. 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 3, 4.